This is my 600 watts solar. I'm gonna do a series in a parallel to lessen down the amps, so that is not too hot on the wires. I only have 11 gauge wire, so I'm only allowed um, like maximum 20 amps inside the conduit. So I'm gonna connect this panel to a series, and then I'm gonna connect it to parallel. So to connect this, so you're gonna grab one, either or one positive and one negative to the other panel. So I connect the line to a series, so those two are connected, that two are connected, and these two are connected. So I'm gonna use this Y branch, 3 branches, to connect this to series and parallel. So I plug it into the main line. I'm gonna connect all the positive on this red Y branch, and all negative on this black Y branch. So okay, they're connected. So this setup is a series and a parallel. Nice beautiful place, I mean nice beautiful day to do this, to set up this solar system. So let's go inside and check it out, what amperage I'm gonna have. So basically this is my setup right here. So I got two lithium phosphate LiPo 4 connected to a parallel. So it's 12 volts, 200 amps now, because I connected to a parallel setup. So that's my 400 watts, 12 volts pure Sinowave. And this one right here is my solar charge controller, 40 amps. So let's test it. What's gonna happen? Well, I don't know if this is, better, but this one is like balance. Not too hot on the wire. So by safety, this is actually better. But like if you're connecting them on series and parallel, when one panel is shaded, the other one that's connected with series is affected. So it's better to do a parallel, so that if one is shaded, the other 5 still good. Well, this one looks better. It's actually way better, I think. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. It's actually better. So where my where my line, my solar line is, I'm only having 10 amps. So that is a good news. It's more cooler, and right on the battery side it was like almost 25 amps, so it's giving much more power. So I think when I had it on parallel, it's limiting the power supply. So this is actually more efficient for my setup. Thank you for watching.